Hey everybody, how are you? And I am going to be doing a DIY today. I'm taking Tuscan and Farmhouse and I'm making a decor piece that will look perfect for the French farmhouse. Because I'm decorating with the Mackenzie child, that in itself can really go towards the French farmhouse or French decor. And so I thought what I would do is I would take a piece of what I had from Hobby Lobby and a candle holder that I've had for a long time that I used when I was decorating a lot with the Tuscan. So I kept looking at them and I thought, you know what, I could put those together and I could create something that looks more towards the French farmhouse feel. So I'm going to put the camera around so you can see what I'm doing and we'll get started. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some of this Harlequin ribbon from Hobby Lobby and this chicken that was gifted to me by Maria, and then some lamb's ear, which was from Hobby Lobby, and some eggs that I got last year at Easter. And I wanted to tell you something. If you decorate with either French farmhouse, whatever, at Easter time, especially at Walmart is where I have found them, they come in what would be like an egg carton, you know, regular egg carton. And they are the most realistic eggs I've ever seen. And at the end of Easter, when they start to go on clearance, I think they're like 3 something, I got 2 of those containers for 74 cents. And I pick them up and I'll pick them up again because I'm going to be doing another DIY with these eggs. So that's just a side note on the eggs. Then I'm going to take this wire cloche from Hobby Lobby that I got last year in the spring section, and I got this on clearance, and I think it was normally like $29 or something, and I got it for like $4. And I haven't really decorated with it yet because I kind of wanted to wait to see what I kind of wanted to do with it. So I have this, and then this candlestick I have had forever and a day. And this is what I would use when I was doing my Tuscan decorating. And I don't know why I only have one of these. I don't know what happened, but I had one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate all this together and I'm going to make what was Tuscan and look to be farmhouse and put the two together and get a French farmhouse feel. So I'll be back in just a minute. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lamb's ear, and again, nothing is going to be permanent. I usually don't do things permanent because I always end up changing something to go and have a different feel, if you will. I want to tell you guys about this too. Hobby Lobby sells this. I don't know if other places sell it. But you know when you're putting something down like this, okay, I won't necessarily use it because I don't have kids where it's going to get knocked over, but if you have something that you want to put onto something else and you don't want to glue it necessarily where it's going to stay forever, this tacky also works. I mean, it works like kind of like a gummy substance, but you can take it off, but it will adhere to where you don't have to worry about it falling off. So I wanted to tell you about that. Okay, so we have the lamb's ear in here, okay? And then I'm going to take this little chicken and I'm just going to stick her right there. And then I'm going to put one of the eggs here, bring one of them to the front a little bit, and then another one just right back there. Just going to close it off. Okay, so she's done. How fast is that? Let me turn her around a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and I just cut a piece off, and I'm going to come in and tie a bow, just a regular bow. Now, I mean, if I wanted to make this to where it was going to be, you know, just like a French farmhouse feel, I could have painted this and distressed it, you know, white as well as this, but I didn't want to because I know me, and I know I'm still going to want to decorate with that Tuscany feel and the French feel and the farm feel, and so I'm just kind of incorporating these all together just to get that feel that I want for this season. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this bow and get it fluffed out, and as soon as I get that exactly how I want it, I'll come back. Okay, so here's the bow that's made. And now let's put this chicken on top. Let me bring you around here. Okay, there you go. Just as easy as that. It cost me nothing. I had everything. All I did is I just took one of my candlesticks that were in my Tuscan type decor, put my farmhouse cloche and things that I already had, and put this harlequin ribbon that gives it that French farmhouse edge. Look around your house, look at things that you have, see what you can incorporate together and just give it a new life for the season. So there it is. I think she looks adorable, and she is adding just what I wanted her to add into my French Mackenzie Child, you name it, feel. It's going to be everywhere, you guys. I hope that you will try this. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Bye.